Hello, Larry here with PriceIt Software. Just wanted to show you a new feature that Ronnie's been hard at work on, and some of you have been asking for. It's the customer portal. It's pretty cool. It allows your contractors and select customers that you have be able to log in whenever they want from a browser and enter their information straight into PriceIt Software. They'll be able to do things like enter an order, make payments. They can do a reorder. I'm going to show you how to do that right now and how to set up on your end how that would look. Go ahead and enter someone in the system. We're going to click on the shortcut button over here on the left. And we're going to scroll down to customers. Next thing we want to do is we want to navigate to the customer name or the customer that we want to give access to. We're going to click on customer login. And then we're going to go down to this red button, the Add Deactivate Account. We're going to put in an email address. So for today, we're just going to put in, I'm just going to make one up here, yourshop.com. And we'll give it a password. Let's put in whatever we want. That'll work. And then we come over and click the Activate button. Okay, once that's done, we're going to click on the blue Get Path button. This is the URL that we're going to send to your customer. Copy that. And we're going to grab a browser. And we're going to put in the address, hit enter. And now you can see what your contractor or customer will see when they go to use the login here. They would put in their email address and password, click OK. The next video I'm going to show you is going to show you what it looks like on their end and the different things that they can do to help make your life a whole lot easier, more productive. Give us a call if you have any questions, 802-257-5188. This is a subscription-based add-on to PriceIt. If you have any questions on that, give us a call. We'd love to set you up with it, maybe show you a live demo, what that would look like, and then get it turned on in your PriceIt. We look forward to hearing back from you, and thank you so much for your continued support.